In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly find and use coupons through Coupon Follow for your purchases on Wayfair. This guide will help you secure some fantastic deals and save money while shopping for your favorite home goods. So let's dive right in and make the most out of your online shopping experience. First, you'll want to head on over to Coupon Follow's website. This platform provides a real-time feed of coupon codes, making it a fantastic resource for finding deals on the fly. Once you're on the site, you'll notice it's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to search for various stores easily. In the search bar, type in Wayfair. This will help us find any current coupons or deals available for Wayfair specifically. Typing the store's name directly ensures you get the most accurate and relevant results. Next, you'll see a list of results pop up. Go ahead and click on the option that says Wayfair.com. This selection directs you to a page dedicated to Wayfair deals, where you can peruse all the available coupon options. Once you're on the Wayfair coupon page, take a moment to scroll through the available discounts. Coupon Follow frequently updates these, so you might find anything from percentage off discounts to flat rate deals, or even free shipping offers. When you find a coupon that catches your eye, click on See Coupon. This will reveal the details of the offer and any specific terms and conditions that may apply. It's crucial to understand these details to avoid any surprises when you try to apply the coupon. After you've chosen a suitable coupon, you'll click on Continue to this offer. This action will direct you to Wayfair's website, where you can start shopping for your desired items. It's important to ensure that you have the right coupon code copied, as you'll need it later during checkout. Now browse through Wayfair and select the items you wish to purchase. Once you're satisfied with your selection, head to your cart. Double-check everything to ensure you've picked the right products as per your requirement. Next, proceed by clicking Checkout Now. This step will take you to the payment page where you can review your order total. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to enter a promo or coupon code. Paste the code you got from Coupon Follow into this field and apply it. Check to make sure the discount has been successfully applied to your total. This is important, as you'll want to verify that you're getting the best deal possible. Finally, with the discounted price displayed, complete your purchase and enjoy the savings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily use Coupon Follow to save money on your Wayfair purchases. Happy shopping, and enjoy your new home essentials at a fraction of the price.